So in today's video, we are going to see a text animation, something like this. So let's start. First of all, we will write a text like animation. Let's zoom in. And now I will change the color of this text. Add a stroke. I will add a linear stroke. Let's remove the fill here and add a linear stroke. I will change the direction of the stroke, something like this. Let's change the color, just like this. I'm going to change the background color a little bit so that it can match with the text which we are working here. Yes, it is perfect now. Select this text and duplicate it 4 times. Let's increase the spacing between. Select the middle one and bring it to front. I will make the fill to white. I will select the last text and send it to back. We have to change the direction of the stroke, just opposite as we have done on the first text, exactly opposite of that, just like this. And now I will copy the property from here. Right click, copy properties, and select the above text and paste properties. Yes, just like this. Now what will I do is select the text and align it center vertically. Now I will put this in a frame and duplicate the frame. Let's increase the size of the frame. We have to spread the word here so that we can see the animation. So drag it in the center. And now I will drag the words one by one in upward direction and in downward direction. Let me show you how. Something like this. And this one also. Yes, it is perfect now. Now I will select both frames and create a component set. Let's go to prototype. I will connect the first frame to second. Trigger will be after delay of 1 millisecond. Let's not do it 1 millisecond. It will be 300 millisecond. And it will be smart animate. Duration will be 1500 millisecond. Let's create a frame. inside the artboard. I will give it a same background color as we have already. Press I and select the background color. Drag the animation text here and let's see how it works. Oh yes, it is working, but it is quite fast. So let's change the duration. Let's make it 3000 milliseconds. Let's see again. Yes, this is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.